Since that we already know the concept of congruence modulo, and relatively prime numbers, we are now ready to proceed on how to use the Chinese remainder theorem for solving linear congruence system. This states that if we already know the remainders of the Euclidean division of an integer n by several integers, this means that we could determine uniquely the remainder of the division of n by the product of these integers under the condition that the divisors are pairwise co-prime. Now that we know the concept of Chinese remainder theorem in number theory, let us now relate on how we could use it in the application of secret sharing in email encryption. Let us define cryptography and secret sharing. Cryptography is the study of information concealment and verification through the use of mathematics to encrypt information into ciphertext in such a way that only authorized persons know how to decrypt it back to plain text. It covers protocols, methods, and tactics for preventing or delaying unwanted access to sensitive information in a secure and consistent manner. The encryption procedure must be reversible so that the ciphertext may be decoded back to its original plaintext by the intended recipient. There are a variety of decrypting and encrypting methods that are applied to messages or other vital data and transform it in such a way that it is unreadable by anyone who knows how to decrypt it. Secret keys and public keys are two different types of encryption and decryption procedures. Both the encryption and decryption keys are known by the sender and the recipient of the message in secret key systems, and they must be kept secret. Any method for spreading a secret among a group of participants in which each person is assigned a portion of the secret is referred to as secret sharing. Individual shares are useless on their own. Thus, the secret can only be rebuilt when all of the shares are recombined. How does a public encryption work? The basic idea is simple. Each person has two keys, one called a public key and one called a secret key. Each key is actually a long, meaningless string of numbers, nothing like a metal that you'd use to open and close a door lock. The public key is something you can share with anyone, while the secret key is something you must keep private.